Welcome to the revolutionary world of 3D printing, where digital designs transform into physical reality. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, builds objects layer by layer, reshaping how we create. The journey begins with a digital 3D model, created using CAD software or 3D scanning techniques. These models are then converted into printable formats like STL or 3MF for the printer to understand. Specialized software slices the model and generates G-code instructions for the printer to follow. The printer then deposits material layer by layer, bringing the digital design to life. 3D printers consist of various components working together, each playing a crucial role in the printing process. Different technologies like FDM, SLA, and DLP offer unique advantages for various applications. 3D printing uses a wide range of materials, from thermoplastics to resins, each suited for specific purposes. Post-processing techniques like sanding and painting help refine the final 3D printed product. The future of 3D printing promises advancements in medicine, aerospace, and even food production. As technology advances, we can expect faster printing, new materials, and increasingly complex designs. 3D printing, a gateway to innovation, bringing our wildest ideas to life.